Vitamin B6, also known as pyroxidine, is essential to help the body digest and utilise protein. It also helps with brain function and hormone production. B6 helps balance sex hormones, which makes it useful in PMS and menopause. It's also a great natural antidepressant and diuretic. Am I deficient? Symptoms of deficiency of vitamin B6 are infrequent dream recall, water retention, depression, anxiety, irritability, as well as tingling hands, muscle tremors or cramps, a lack of energy and dry flaky skin. Vitamin B6 can be found in the following foods: wheat germ, watercress, cabbage, kidney beans, peppers, bananas, squash, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, lentils, eggs, tuna, turkey, onions, salmon and asparagus. To get a supplemental form of vitamin B6, ask for pyridoxine or coated pyridoxal 5-phosphate. It works well with other B vitamins as well as zinc and magnesium.